Advisor of Indigenous Peoples Forum Manipur Asankasar emphasized that the prevailing crisis will only end when there is unity and harmony among the indigenous communities. He made the statement in connection with distribution of food items to internally displaced persons during Christmas Eve, jointly carried out by Indigenous Peoples Forum Manipur, Imphal Naga Forum, Thado leaders, Liangmai leaders and Meitei Pangal CSOs. The relief items were provided to displaced people taking shelter at Sawombung Relief Camp and Lamboy Kongnangkong Relief Camp. Speaking further, he wished for an end to the crisis with coming off the Christmas festival and urged for unity and understanding among the different indigenous communities of the state. Asankasar appealed to the people of both communities to forgive and forget the unfortunate deeds done during the height of the crisis and added that the government has a huge role to play in resolving the crisis.
Center government na yamna serious oina lawradi normal sila ningai gi restore toningai police ama roadmap ama semnadi ilai na lambi di lehina khoi di haijaningi aduna masila ko yaba lambi lei adu lambi do kanana semgadara hairaga government na semgadaba madugi responsible person singna aduna hana khoi peace committee ama leiraga thabak tawradi soidana peace hanjangani haina tawrambane adu mapung phaba ngamkide adu adak chahi anova lakpasida peace puraktabadi yaroi sumaina landum tawra leiba yadabne na Project center government na su yam serious oina lobo mong da koi khra ui praja laibina riba kaluk mayam na su sogat pire hairaga unity ama atopa lairiba chati mayam sina punsallaga peace puraningai akhoina lep laga thabak dawmina radi soidana santi du purapa ngamgani.
Thado leader Michael Lamzathang Thado, who was also present at the occasion, stressed that in life there are changes. He commented that 2 years ago, he thought it would be impossible for him to return to Imphal. He also expressed that in due time, all IDPs will also return to their native homes. Additionally, Kokomi convener Kuraiza Matoba commended the noble initiative of extending relief provisions to the displaced people who had been on strike demanding to return to their native homes since December 1.
Bible ki matang da oirasu or humanity ki matang oirasu handagi thodok hai tare si da bahap tana da ba mayam sing se ekhoi cheningai leitaba mi mayam se Manipur gi ekhoi chen ba ya da ba Assam or Nagaland or Mizoram or Burma ne ekhoi bu welcome suk to roi ba ekhoi je sida gi sigi lebak se ekhoi gi iramdam ne sida gi hodok pan ekhoi je yelhomi ama oina
Christmas kumaina lakpada angamba Chini amadi chana no polam Hawaii kira mayam no kubirakna IDP sing sigi kitang dong warsu makoi awabada saruk yari amadi makoi gi awana sing sida angamba kadong mating pangjagani haidana lakpi basi duki mati komi gi maike degi thadap kondok chari